Iceland, a land of fire and ice, where glaciers carve through volcanic plains, steaming geysers erupt against snow-capped peaks. A place of dramatic contrasts, a testament to nature's power. Imagine a thundering waterfall, its spray painting rainbows. The roar of the water is deafening. Nearby, an ancient glacier slowly grinds across the landscape. Iceland's beauty lies in its stark contrasts. Iceland straddles the mid-Atlantic ridge, a major tectonic plate boundary. This geological location is the source of Iceland's intense volcanic activity. Eruptions have shaped the island for millennia, creating its dramatic landscapes. Volcanoes, both dormant and active, dot the Icelandic landscape. Some are gentle giants, their slopes cloaked in green moss. Others are more imposing, their peaks shrouded in smoke and steam. The heat from the Earth's core is never far away in Iceland. Geothermal areas, characterized by bubbling mud pots and hissing steam vents, are a testament to this subterranean power. These areas are not just visually stunning, they also provide Iceland with a source of renewable energy. The Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa famous for its milky blue water, is a prime example of how Icelanders have harnessed the Earth's heat. Here, visitors can bathe in the warm, mineral-rich water, surrounded by lava fields and volcanic peaks. Ice is as much a part of Iceland's identity as fire. Glaciers, vast rivers of ice, cover over 10% of the island's surface. These icy giants have sculpted the landscape, carving out valleys and fjords over millennia. Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier, dominates southeastern Iceland. Its icy tongue stretches out towards the coast, carving massive icebergs into glacial lagoons. These lagoons, dotted with icebergs of all shapes and sizes, are a breathtaking sight. Jökulsárlón, a glacial lagoon in southeast Iceland, is a photographer's paradise. Here, icebergs, sculpted by wind and water, drift serenely towards the sea. Seals often bask on the ice floes while seabirds wheel overhead. The glaciers are a stark reminder of the power of nature, but they're also incredibly fragile, vulnerable to the effects of climate change. As temperatures rise, the glaciers are receding at an alarming rate, a visible sign of a changing planet. Section 4. A tapestry of life, flora and fauna in a harsh land. Iceland's harsh environment might seem inhospitable at first glance, yet life finds a way. A surprising diversity of plants and animals call this land of fire and ice home. Icelandic horses, small but hardy, are a symbol of the country's resilience. These sure-footed creatures with their thick coats and flowing manes have adapted to Iceland's challenging terrain and often harsh weather. Birdlife is abundant, particularly along the coastline. Puffins, with their colourful beaks and comical waddles, nest in cliffs during the summer months. Seabirds such as guillemots and kittiwakes form vast colonies on offshore islands. Plant life, though less diverse, adds splashes of colour to the landscape. Mosses and lichens cling to lava fields, creating a patchwork of greens and yellows. In spring and summer, wildflowers bloom in profusion, adding a touch of delicate beauty to the rugged terrain. Section 5. The Northern Lights, a celestial ballet above Iceland. Iceland's natural wonders are not limited to its terrestrial landscape. During the winter months, the sky comes alive with the ethereal beauty of the aurora borealis, or northern lights. This celestial display occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere. The result is a mesmerizing dance of light, with curtains of green, purple, and red shimmering across the night sky. Imagine standing beneath the vast expanse of the night sky as waves of light ripple and dance above. The air is crisp and cold, and the silence is broken only by the faint whisper of the wind. Seeing the northern lights is a truly humbling experience, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the wonders that lie beyond our planet. It is a sight that stays with you long after the lights have faded. Section 6. A call to preserve protecting Iceland's fragile beauty. Iceland's natural beauty is awe-inspiring and fragile. Climate change threatens its glaciers, wildlife, and ecosystems. Protecting this environment is a global responsibility. We must reduce our impact and embrace sustainable practices. Supporting conservation efforts is crucial. Iceland reminds us of our planet's interconnectedness. What happens here affects us all. By protecting nature, we safeguard our future. Let Iceland inspire us to be better stewards of our planet.